Okay, welcome back. This is the second video of the 72,000 52-mile service. We're getting back tires. My back tire looks amazing. I'm here to tell you. I mean, there's the wear bar. I probably have a 1/16 of an inch before I hit the wear bar. This tire looks good. I do not destroy a rear tire like I do the front. And I think that's because I know it's because I'm carrying my speed into the turn and I'm just pushing the front out. But yeah, whoever ends up with this back tire is going to be pretty lucky. Alright, so I'm going to need a pair of wire cutters. So I'm going to do this video all in one. So first thing I'm going to do is take a pair of wire cutters. I'm going to cut this little zip tie off. You should put a zip tie or safety wire on this just for your own knowledge, knowing that there's no way that this little clip will come out of here. So, but you don't take my word for it. You do whatever you do. Now we have to stop the tire from spinning. So we're going to put it in gear. So in gear, that'll stop the wheel from spinning. And now we're going to add some brakes to it. So this is not 5.56 millimeter. This is actually 7.62 by 39. But I am going to hang this from my brake lever, the brake pedal. So it's going to look like that. Then I'm going to take my wrench and this should break free. Should. So there we have it. Not bad. I can live with this. That's easy enough. Make sure you have this washer. Never lose this washer. It's important. There's my air compressor kicking on. There's my wheel off. While we have the wheel off, we do want to look at our brake pads. My brake pads do look pretty good. I've got about 1/8 of an inch. I use the crap out of my rear brakes, and this is, believe it or not, that is the second rear brake rotor I've had on this bike. I replaced this brake rotor at about 50,000 miles. I changed brake pads after that. So if you guys care, I was running those. I was running the Ducati brake pads because they're very soft. But I switched. So I'm running the EBC, and it's actually the same pad for whatever bike, but I'm doing the FA266R. These are more of a sport touring brake pad. I have tried the EBC V, which is another sport touring, and I get a little bit more mileage. I get a little bit more mileage out of the sport touring brake pads. The Brembos that come on the Ducati, they're so soft, and as you already know, the rear brakes on any Ducati just suck. But I found with the EBC, it makes the rear brakes usable. We'll be replacing that Schrader valve because it is gone. The Schrader valve I did take out is an FAA, made in the USA, FAA quality certified Schrader valve. I don't use the Chinese junk. Okay. For those of you wondering, yes, it is nice having a tire machine in your own shop. Do I suggest that you get your own tire machine? Yeah, I don't know how many tires you go through. I go through quite a few, so I like it. So what we're looking at is, if you can see this, so here's our arrow. Our arrow goes this way. There's an arrow right here on the wheel that goes this way. And if you still have your, well, no, I guess these were replaced by Inky, but the arrows on the sticker show the direction. But yeah, I think after 2009 or maybe mid-2009, Ducati went to Inky wheels. And sorry about that. So we're going to put a little tire lube on here first before we check our spot. And then let's get some on the wheel too. It makes it seat a lot easier. So here's our dot. I don't know if you can see that. See the yellow dot up there? So we're going to line our dot up with our valve stem. And that dot is just it's a wives' tale. It's not true anymore. Tires are manufactured so well now, you don't need that dot. Not only that, actually Google it, because Tire Rack did a big review on that dot. Did a big write-up on that dot and how unimportant it is after a vehicle's been used. So, to help push it down, if you don't have this helper arm, get one of these. This is, I don't know, the third hand or something like that. This is sold by Nomar. I don't know how good the warranty is. I haven't tried it. I bought 2 of these already. The first one I completely destroyed it, and I didn't think to attempt to use the warranty. But this arm will do about the same thing as what that little hand does. It just keeps the tire down into the bead. So easy enough, right? New Schrader valve. I would have reused the old Schrader valve, but it shot out so quick I couldn't find it. We're going to put 36 psi in here. Alright, that's what 36 psi looks like. We're going to close off our air valve. I'm going to leave all the pressure off my tire machine, because we don't know how long this tire machine is going to sit before I change another tire. Now we're going to go over here to the balancer. This one takes all of my spacers and then some. Alright, tire's on. Take our stickers off. Maybe. There we go. Sticker off, sticker off, sticker off. We're going to set our machine up. We already know it's 17. It is a 5.5. And there you have it. Ready? I think there was a 1/4 ounce on the wheel already. It's asking for a 1/4. So So there's a quarter right there. I jinxed myself last time. There's a quarter right there. And if you look at it, it's just a little bit offset of center. But when you have all these lit up, so it wants a quarter right at the top. So I'm guessing this tire will probably take a quarter, but we might get lucky, and it might spin to 0. So let's see what we get. Yeah, it's pretty good, right? Quarter ounce, if you need a quarter ounce on your rear tire, you will never notice it. A quarter ounce isn't enough. You can probably go half an ounce out on the rear before you notice any kind of vibration. The Ducati rear wheel is really a pleasure to work on. Okay, put this on. I spun the wheel, so I don't really know where the hole is. It feels like I got the 2 holes right there. Now I don't torque the rear wheel, just because you can tighten it down as tight as you can possibly get it. The goal is to line up that hole. So we've lined up that hole. This clip will go on. That clip is on. See? Yay. There's no spare parts laying around. I am going to run over to my toolbox. I'm going to take a brand new zip tie and run it through here. There you go. That's it. That is all you need to do to replace that rear wheel. Yeah, I mean, yeah. This is an amazing bike. So this is my video of my 72,000 mile service. The next video I shoot is going to be oil. So stay tuned. I am going to take a little break. If you watched my last video of the front tire, I had problems with my tire machine. I took a little break, and I had to rebuild some of the hoses, redo some of the hoses, because it was leaking air pretty bad. But there's my 848 in all their glory. When we come back, I'm already going to have the side covers off. It just makes it a little bit quicker. Alright, thanks for watching.